What is going on, guys? It's Mac. Welcome to another Markup Mondays with Mac. Hope you guys enjoy this series. I have a good time making it. And yeah, let's continue to learn together. Let's continue to get better together. And let's just jump right into this. So, as you can see on the daily, we are now in a daily demand here on EU. And when we look at the DXY in comparison, as you can see here, we are also in a daily supply. Because they are directly opposite correlated, this completely makes sense. So with this being said, for the rest of the week, I expect DXY to come back down and make a retracement, and I expect EU to come back up, filling this giant void here on the daily, possibly come into this order block up here at 1.16. But ultimately, I expect a retracement back into the premium range of this price leg. Jumping down to the lower timeframes here, I'm going to go over what exactly happened today in New York. Powell got reelected today, so there was a massive bearish spike down that afterwards kind of just consolidated. And I'm not going to lie, I saw this setup occur, but I didn't execute on the trade. I don't know why. I don't know if it was because it was a Monday or what was going on, but I'm going to walk you all through this right now. So as you can see here, we have our swing ranges right now in the hour up here, 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 here. So we were kind of playing within those ranges. And because we are within a daily POI right now, when it comes to a reversal for me, I want to see at least 15-minute structure being formed because we are in such a higher time frame POI. I'm not going to be trusting lower time frame micro shifts and stuff like that, because in my opinion, that's how you get trapped very easily, and that's the last thing we want, right? So moving down here, where was it today? As you can see here, we mitigated the wick from last week. We left this low here, which was a weekly low. And I had a feeling we were going to end up targeting that low simply due to the fact there was so much liquidity down here and this high failed to break any swing structure. So jumping down to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that, where did London? So as you can see here, Asia created liquidity to the top side, Asia created liquidity to the bottom side. And as you can see, when London opened up, we ran price down right into the demand on the 5-minute, sweeping Asia's low, and then we eventually popped back up, sweeping Asia's high. So once I jumped on the charts and saw that Asia's high was already taken, I was skeptical that we were going to have shorts. But what threw me off was we were in the higher time frame POI. So I wanted more structure to form for buys. As you can see here, we had a beautiful buy opportunity here that I'm pretty sure one of our RM trading members caught. Let me just break this down here. So all this indicator does, guys, is shows the Asia high, Asia low, which we know a lot of liquidity resides above and below. As you can see here, we had this clean block here that swept structure to the left, resulting in a beautiful buy opportunity here to start off pre-New York. I just got on the charts when this happened, so I missed it, but I'll walk you through exactly what I saw when I got on and the opportunities that happened throughout today. So as you can see here, swept this liquidity, popped back up. There was an entry right here. We then broke up above again, came back down, retesting this demand block right here, where you could have had a buy into a beautiful sell. The next sell opportunity we had here was this supply as well. But for me personally, I would not enter right on this first one. I would wait for more structure to form. Jumping down more to the 1-minute time frame here. Let me just get rid of this daily here so it's a little cleaner for you guys. So a lot of people may have had the sell right here. Say you could have your stop right above here. But I, to be honest, with all this trendline liquidity up here and the fact that I thought we were overall going to be bullish, I wanted to see more. So as you can see here, you could have had a short right here. And as you can see, we started building liquidity up in Asia. Sorry, started building liquidity in New York. To the downside, which, like I said in previous videos, when we start making price action like this, odds are price wants us to go down. Price wants us to short, taking all this liquidity before we at least pop back up. As you can see, we had an unmitigated block right here that was sitting just above these highs, and we had another short opportunity. It was a very bearish day. With it being Monday, there was no great trades taken from me at all. It was a very chill day, but yeah, you could have had a 1 to 16 here, could have had the original sell here for another 1 to 18, and you could have had the buy up into this sell. For a collective, I can't do the math off the top of my head because I'm not a mathematician, but I know some of you guys can. Whip up the calculator and we'll figure that out. But it just shows you here, even on a Monday, the amount of opportunities that happened. There was even a sell here in New York, or sorry, pre-New York in London. We had bullish price action shaping up right here, broke this low, which was this swing point here on the 1 minute. Once we broke this, microstructure break, pop back up, unmitigated block once again for another short opportunity. It's just the patience, guys. That's all it is. And it's just beautiful to look at. I'm not gonna lie, this is just straight artwork. This just shows all the opportunities that can be hit. Like I said, I did not hit all these. There were no trades hit for me today, but I just wanted to show you my Markup Monday. I know these help a lot of people, just seeing my thought process and whatnot. If you want to learn more about my thought process and how I see the markets and whatnot, click the link in the bio and join our RM trading group. Great case studies in there every single day, markups, and all that good stuff. So if you want to learn more, click that link in the bio. It's been Mac. Thank you guys so much for another video. Like I say, every single video, let's be 1% better every single day. Take care, and I'll see you guys all next week.